Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam here from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Prestige, which launched on the 25th of June at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'll be going through this new product release from Bill Hugall, Simple Spencer and their student David Kirby. And what this essentially is a detailed case study of how David Kirby currently makes a minimum of $100 to $200 online and as much as $1,000 a day. So if you would like a completely broken down system that's newbie friendly, that shows you click by click exactly what you need to do, what you need to click on, what you need to copy and paste, what you need to put together to get yourself an income system like this, of this level, that's easy to follow with clear written instructions, then Prestige is the product for you. I would say this product isn't one for intermediate and advanced marketers. So if you consider yourself to be at that level, give this one a miss, yeah? But if you're brand new and you're looking for methods that can earn you around $100 to $200 a day consistently and that are scalable up from that, then this would be a good one for you. All right. So that's what the product is in a nutshell. I'm also going to be giving away 5 custom bonuses to go with this product. You can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. Now, I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. They're all giving you different alternative ways to easily make money online as well. So with a combination of Prestige plus these other 5, you'll have 6 different methods. So if for some reason one of them doesn't resonate with you, it's pretty likely that one of the others at least will. And to get them, as I said, you need to click on the timer before it reaches 0, at which point they'll expire. And I don't want that to happen because otherwise, you won't be able to get these bonuses anywhere else. Having said that, have a look and see what others are offering with their copies of Prestige, because remember, you can always come back to this page and back to this YouTube video when you realize that my bonuses are way more useful to you than anything else. All right, so what exactly is Prestige? Well, as I said, it's a case study of how David Kirby banks $282.40 per day in 24 hours. Well, that is a day, isn't it? With this super simple method, no experience needed, no difficult work, nothing crazy technical. The method is very step-by-step and easy to do. He's making $200 a day plus with it. It's proven and fully tested. It's a unique and fresh method. It's 100% newbie friendly. There's no product or videos required and nothing techie at all. And it's a fun and profitable system. And the front end price for this, if you pick it up close to the launch, which, as I said, this has just gone live within the last sort of half an hour, it is $7.95. Yeah. I am going to take you into the members area. Sorry folks, there it is. That's the members area for Prestige. So we will be going in there to have a little look, and we will also have a look at the sales funnel as well. So all of that is going to be covered. Usual bunch of testimonials on the sales page, as you would expect. Fairness to Bill and Spencer, they don't go in for ridiculously long sales pages like others do. Bit top heavy probably with testimonials, but that's the way that people do things these days. You're also going to get some bonuses from them, but let's go and cover off my bonuses first. So when you click on the link immediately underneath this review video, you'll come onto this page and you will see my this video that I'm recording now here. This is just a recap of the method that we already discussed. This is the sales video, which you should click on. In fact, it will auto play because that's how Bill set it up. And you can watch that. That's also on the sales page, so there's no demo video as such. There's just the sales video, so do watch that. So these are the custom bonuses I'm throwing in, folks. And as I said, these are 5 different methods, different ways to make money. All right. So the first one, I really like this, folks. It's a course called The Secret Weapon by Eric Karji, who is actually one of Brendan Mason, John O. Armstrong's students. Now, I did this course, I think it was about February or March, and I set everything up followed Eric's steps to the letter, and I actually earned $28 from this method within like 1 or 2 hours of setting it up. Yeah, so it delivered me an absolutely instantaneous result, yeah, which is very rare online. A lot of people say, oh, you can make money as soon as today or as soon as tomorrow, but this is one of the few that literally within 2 hours of me setting it up, it had made me $28. So really like this. The next one is the Profit Factory by Samuel Chima. What this goes into details is actually how you can launch your own product, but very easily and without sort of having to think about it too much and without having to pay loads for like techie people and all the rest of it that normally goes into a very detailed product like a software. This actually shows you how you can do it really easily. The third bonus is this course by Glyn Kosky, Commission Blueprint. Glyn's one of the masters in the MMO niche. He's also a top super affiliate. This is one of his products from 2018, and it's a very good one. And again, it's a different method to any of the others. Fourth method is El Bandito. Now, this one actually is from Brendan Mace. That's Eric Kaji's mentor. And this shows you how you can profit from other people's offers, getting guaranteed approval, which is often a problem with newbie internet marketers, and all will be revealed in this course. And finally, easy passive paydays. Now, Anthony Mancuso, I actually spotted his name. He was one of the people giving a testimonial for this product. And Anthony, again, is a super affiliate, produces good products himself. This is one of them. Easy passive paydays, another way that you can earn money online. So all of these products, folks, are worth way more than the front end price that you're going to pay for Prestige of $7.95. Yeah, so I would say that even if you don't like the look of this method, it's worth paying it just to get these bonuses, really, folks, because you're going to get 5 different ways to make money online. So they are my vendors' bonuses. Okay, so these are the bonuses that you are going to get from Bill and Spencer. Prestige secret software, and Prestige traffic for pennies. And there are actually some more, which I'll show you in the members area. As I said, you can get this for $7.95. So let's have a look over in the members area. Yeah. So when you come in here, if you missed any of the upsells, which we'll go on to in a minute, you do get a second chance to pick them up. So if you sort of see something you like and then you have to go and sort your credit card out or transfer money somewhere, you will still get a chance to pick them up once you come into the members area. And then I just want to show you, so these are the bonuses that you're actually going to get. So let's click on this button here. So these are additional bonuses, unadvertised bonuses on that sales page. And these are 20 software plugins. Yeah, you just click on the link, or well, you have to copy and paste the link to get them. Email inboxer software. That's to make sure that your mails that you send out to your list actually go into people's email boxes. High ticket authority, traffic siphon, piggyback cash system. These are all previous products from Bill and the team. Instant traffic for pennies, and evergreen commission machine, plus the done for you module of that to 10 times your results. So these are all really good quality products. Again, you know, everything that you've got here was originally sold for way more than the $7.95 that you're paying on the front end. So and then when you're ready, you just click on that button there, which will download Prestige, and then you work your way through the course, folks, clicking on the links as you are instructed to do once you go past the quick system outline. So it's pretty straightforward. It's a walkthrough and follow instructions. As I said, what it essentially is a large case study with step-by-step instructions of how you can replicate David's system. That is what you're getting with this product. It's as simple as, nothing complicated to do at all. All right, so let's have a look at the funnel. We know that the front end is $7.95 if you're in early enough. It won't be going up to any more than $13 during the launch period. So if you're in the launch, you can still get it for that price. The first upsell is the Prestige Done For You tool, which costs $37. What this is, it's an extremely powerful tool which you can use side by side with the main Prestige product. It was recently on sale for $97. I can confirm that. So that's a $60 discount. The second upsell is the full resale rights to Prestige. So that means you can sell this product as your own. You can rebrand it and put all your own links in it, and bank 100% of the profits. Yeah, so that's quite a nice one. The third one is $27, and that is how to bank insane 5-figure days. It's only recently that the guys have been selling this as part of their funnel for $27. It used to be one of their high ticket offers about a year ago. The last few launches, they have been offering it for $27, and unsurprisingly, it's been very popular. And so has this other upsell, $27, which is their buyer's list method and simple 300 a day method. This upgrade shows you how to build a responsive buyer's list without ever creating or launching a product. And they're also including an additional 300 a day method with this special offer. I think that wasn't there before. It was just the buyer's list method. So that's actually new. So yeah, plenty of good value in the funnel there. No high ticket items, as you can see. So, you know, some of you, I would expect, will be able to afford the entire funnel there, which would give you a hell of a lot of content. Maybe, you know, if you're not interested in the resale rights, then leave those out maybe, but pick up the other ones. So that's pretty much it, folks. Yeah, so as I said, just to recall my bonuses, if you want to pick up all these extra products here, you need to click on this green button. That will take you through to the sales page. Click on buy now for the bargain price of $7.95. Then that will bring you into the back office at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of Prestige, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that is all there is to it, folks. It's a proven case study, a proven method that works. So we're going to give this a 3.5 out of 5-star review. It's a very ideal product for newbies to get started with, in particular, if you are in that category. So all that remains then is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Prestige.